Hey groomers, Tyler here out of Colorado. Wanted to show you something about the KM10 blade drive, blade lever change. Oh, I think I just heard Smokey come in. Oh, he's rolling around back there. So here we go. So this clipper got sent in to me for it being noisy in a cord. I already replaced the cord. While we're in here, I could actually show you how to do that really quick too. But she said it was kind of noisy, and when I opened it up, first thing I noticed is she must have replaced the lever herself, which is great. But you guys need to put gear lube in there, some grease, something. And I'll show you where you put it. So lift this up, because this looks like a brand new lever. So I don't really need to replace, yeah, it's brand new. But there's 3 contact points, you know. It hits this post and it hits the cam bearing. So what we're going to do is just take this grease here and put a little bit here on the wishbone ends. And then I'll put some in this hole here and around it. So where it rubs, it's all good. You don't need a whole lot. Just that. And then just set it back down. I don't really need that, but whatever. Grease isn't going to hurt much. And to do the cord, all you have to do is take these 2 pieces out and plug it in. See right there? This whole piece kind of comes out. And then this pops off, this green piece, like a Lego. Yeah, see? Now you got the switchboard, the motor, drive, cord. And the cord's just held in by these 2. You want to make sure the insulation is up in there. Don't put it out over here and break your cord and all that. So plug this back in. Put it all back on the posts where it should be. Oh, see that red wire got a little stuck. And then when you put it all back together, make sure no wires are hanging out anywhere where they can get pinched in the case. I see that happen a lot too, especially with the cordless. So then we'll just put it all back together, make sure it works. Much quieter. And the cord works. So I hope that helps some of you. Always get grease. This little tube of grease will cost you $4 or $5, and it will probably last you your entire career. So hope that helps. Bye.